Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting in the Stocks app. Open it and sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Once done, grant notifications and background app refresh so prices update in the background. Next, tap the plus icon to add tickers, type a company name or symbol, and pick the correct exchange. Make sure you add 3-5 tickers to form a basic watch list. This gives you live quotes, pre-market data, and a place to begin tracking performance immediately. Tap any ticker to open its detailed view and interact with the chart. Press and drag to inspect price points and volumes. Then change the time frame to compare short-term versus long-term moves. Choose 1D through max depending on your goal. Once you've viewed the chart, swipe up for relevant news, analyst ratings, market cap, and earnings dates so you understand why prices moved. Make sure to use the compare or add indicator options to overlay indexes. When you're ready to act, tap the buy or broker button to open the linked brokerage flow and submit market, limit, or stop orders. Follow on-screen confirmations and review fees. To monitor without constant checking, set price alerts with the bell icon and specify trigger price and repeat options. If quotes lag or charts fail to refresh, make sure background app refresh is enabled, force close and reopen the app, or reinstall it. These steps resolve most data sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.